A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Starting with pricing, TaxZerone operates on a fully transparent pay-per-form model designed for high-volume IRS compliance filing. There are no subscriptions, no annual licenses, no setup fees, and no contracts. Information returns such as W2, W2G, 1099 and 5498 are priced on a volume-based sliding scale, starting at approximately $2.49 per form for low volumes and dropping progressively as volume increases, reaching as low as 59 cents per form when filing more than 1,000 forms. Employment tax filings such as Form 941 and Form 941X are priced at $6.99 per return, while Schedule R filings cost $9.99 per return, plus an additional $1 fee per client. Exempt organization filings begin at $9.90 for Form 990N, with higher pricing tiers for Forms 990 EZ, 990, 990PF, and 990T. Optional add-ons include state filing at 99 cents per form, postal mailing at $1 and 75 cents per form, and electronic delivery at 50 cents per form. With no minimum usage requirements and no bundled commitments, costs remain entirely predictable at the transaction level, even during peak filing seasons. In comparison, eFile uses a consumer-oriented, tiered pricing model focused on individual income tax returns. The free basic plan is priced at $0 and supports simple W-2 only returns for taxpayers earning under $100,000, filing as single or married jointly. The deluxe plan is priced at $19 and supports W-2 and 1099 income, itemized deductions, dependents, and tax amendments. The premier plan is priced at $29 and is designed for higher income filers earning over $100,000, including self-employed and investment income with access to all forms and schedules. All plans include free refiling, auto downgrade protection, and optional state returns, with users only paying after reviewing their return. Moving into features, TaxZerone is built specifically for speed, accuracy, and scalability in compliance filing. It supports information returns, employment tax forms, exempt organization filings, amendments, extensions, and select business filings. Users can choose between interview-based workflows or direct form entry, making it suitable for both occasional filers and experienced professionals. Built-in validation checks reduce IRS rejection rates before submission, and rejected returns are automatically retransmitted at no additional cost. The platform supports bulk uploads, encrypted data handling, IRS authorized e-filing, and long-term document retention for audit readiness. From a pros and cons perspective, TaxZerone's biggest strength is cost efficiency and flexibility. You pay only for what you file, pricing scales down with volume, and optional add-ons allow precise cost control. It is fast, predictable, and ideal for transactional compliance work. The downside is scope. TaxZerone does not provide personal income tax preparation, consumer guidance, or tax planning tools. It is a compliance engine, not a DIY tax filing platform. Switching to eFile, this platform is designed for individual taxpayers who want a guided, self-service income tax filing experience rather than high-volume compliance processing. eFile focuses on simplicity, affordability, and accessibility for consumers filing personal federal tax returns. Core features include guided step-by-step return preparation, support for W-2 income, 1099 income, itemized deductions, dependents, self-employment income, and investment income depending on plan tier. The platform automatically determines the appropriate plan using auto-downgrade logic, ensuring users do not overpay for features they do not need. Free refiling is included if a return is rejected and amendments are supported on paid plans, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. eFile also provides optional state return filing, printable and downloadable returns, free federal eFile, and premium customer support options, users can complete their entire return before paying, which helps reduce friction and builds trust for first-time filers who want transparency up front. The interface is designed specifically for non-professionals, using plain language explanations, prompts, and calculators to help users understand credits, deductions, filing statuses, and common tax scenarios without advanced tax knowledge. Educational tax tips and built-in checks help prevent common filing errors, but the platform intentionally avoids professional-level customization or firm workflows. From a pros and cons standpoint, eFile's biggest advantage is accessibility and low barrier to entry. Entry pricing is extremely competitive, with a genuinely free option for simple returns, making it attractive for students, retirees, and W-2 employees. Auto downgrade protection prevents unnecessary upgrades, and the pay after review model adds consumer confidence. The downside is scalability and depth. eFile is not designed for professionals, bulk filing, payroll compliance, multi-entity businesses, or advisory services. It does not support client management, high-volume workflows, or transactional compliance needs beyond individual returns. Regarding ratings, there are no official ratings being referenced here from Capterra, Trustpilot, or G2 for either eFile or TaxZerone in this comparison. As a result, quality assessment should be based on intended use case rather than third-party review scores. Consumer tax platforms often have fragmented or inconsistent review coverage, making direct rating comparisons less reliable than feature alignment. Final takeaway. If your priority is ultra-low cost, high-volume IRS compliance filing with precise per-form pricing, no subscriptions, and full control over transactional costs, TaxZerone is the clear choice for accountants, payroll providers, and businesses handling large filing volumes. If you are an individual taxpayer looking for a guided, low-cost way to file a personal federal return with minimal complexity, built-in safeguards, and no professional tools, eFile is the better fit. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and confidently choose the one that best matches your filing needs, budget, and overall workflow goals.